Pakitin mo nga. Sumakyat.
Cherry. I got one cherry.
Hey!
What are you doing, Mike?
He's crushing the cherries on the ground.
Don't do that.
I thought there was. I thought there was no
Ayan ka na
seed.
naman ha. I told you everything you do.
Don't waste it, ha? Not good.
I go.
How many you got, baby?
What?
Wow, that's a lot, honey.
What? Honey?
Yeah.
Neat.
Daddy? Oh, you can use a knife. Oh my God.
No, no, no. This is enough.
I don't want.
Tingnan mo yung isa, oh. Parang gusto mo umakyat.